Sadie making her bed outside. There. Is that all good now? Is that how you want it? Oh, okay. Privacy. Good morning from Egg Harbor, New Jersey. We are at Don and John's house again. They are the sweetest people I know. And John, if we can't get the toilet in today, John says when he comes home from work, he's going to help us out. What do you think about that, sir?
Well, I watched the video and it looks pretty easy. 2 bolts, undo the water supply, take it off the floor for the seal, put a new seal on, well, clean it up, put a new seal on, put the bolts back in, hook up the water, hook up the water first, then put the bolts back in, and I think it's good to go. It doesn't look like it's that hard.
Perfect.
We'll get her done.
Awesome. I'm walking.
You are
with
walking.
Dawn, and she's running. I'm walking, but she's running, sort of.
Trying to get my heart rate up.
Heart rate? I'll be dead by the time I get down and around with you. Holy crap.
I'll slow down a little.
No, you don't need to don't slow down, because then that doesn't do me any good, does it? Okay, here we are. We have the Thetford Aquamagic 5 high profile RV permanent toilet, and it's supposed to come with the RV tank treatment for the tank, but it did not, but that's okay. We have the hand flush one, not the foot, because they were out of stock, so we got that one instead. So we're going to install this today, or attempt to install this today. Hubby has high hopes that we're going to be able to do it, no problem. I didn't do an unboxing, I just unboxed it so you could see it. It comes with all of these pretty toys, the flange, bolts, everything you need, instruction manual, which we all know men don't use those. So inside, here we are. And this is for the hand flush. It goes around this way. So anyway, I'm excited. It shows to add water, to flush, blah, blah, blah. And there we have it. We will be installing it very shortly. Okay, the old toilet's out, and I got the new bolts in, all cleaned up, all sealed up. Now we've got a leak in that area there, so Tony is going to be fixing that, and hopefully we'll get it on very soon. Well, he's under there trying to tighten these. Let me show you if I can. This on the other side, and there's so little room that he's having a hard time tightening that, right, hon?
Yep.
Well, he's getting there. Okay, Tony is in here, kneeling in the bathroom, and he's hopefully going to get this toilet installed. I don't even know if you can see. Well, you can see his head. But trying to get those bolts in the holes. Okay, our toilet is installed. I tried to get some film of Tony putting it in, but it didn't work out very well. All you could see was the back of his head or his back.
Tight quarters.
It's very tight quarters, very small in here. So, oh, yeah, hello. So, we got the toilet in. I got the wall painted behind because I'm in the process of painting, but I took the old one out. He put the new one in. Teamwork. Look at this. There are ants hatching everywhere.
Flying ants.
Flying ants. Have you guys ever seen anything like this before?